Time to fix this one up. We are meeting our contractor up here to review all of the stuff that we noticed last time and start getting prices on repairing this thing for the owner. That's today's video. Front of house. We definitely have some issues on the chimneys. They need to be pointed up. Roof needs to be replaced. A lot of chipping, peeling paint on the on all the wood here. These corners on both sides of the porch are sagging, so we probably need to jack those up a hair just to make sure everything is good there. Windows is also something that we need to have done. I think that's it on the front, correct?
I believe so.
Okay. Hey, it's really cold out here. If you don't hit that like button, I might freeze. Thanks. This back access is actually pretty good. You can tell from the inside there's a little bit of light shining through, but nothing drastic, nothing crazy.
Yeah, no connection beam to post. You see how it moved?
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
I missed that the first time.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to attach that.
No mechanical fasteners, yeah.
Because that's not safe at all.
No.
And this one has one screw in it.
Yep. It's like an after the fact kind of thing.
Right. Yeah, a lot of these are, this one's bowing really bad. That was the one that caught my attention first. Well, hello there. We have the woman, the myth, and the legend. Miss Rachel has joined us.
It was tomorrow.
I did, actually.
No, I'm just...
No, I did. And then the first key place didn't work, so I had to go to another one.
How long do you think that 4x4 is?
That's a hell of a 4x4. That is one hell of a 4x4.
Honestly, I don't even know where you'd get one that long in this day.
It's got to be sistered in there somehow.
I don't see it though, do you?
I don't, but there's a lot of chipping paint on it too, so. But yeah, a lot of these posts, I mean, obviously this one here is extremely bowed.
6x6 is under here, something
That one's bowed, and it probably needs something heavier too.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like that corner is not supported either, where the numbers are.
Yeah.
So one thing Stefan just pointed out, Rachel, that we missed the first time. I mean, he is the real contractor. We just play him on YouTube. That is not connected.
You see how it moves? You can see the mark too, but you can just tell it's not. There's no post to beam connection.
Here?
It's just sitting on it. Yeah,
supposed to
there's
be
nothing.
brackets.
It's not screwed in, tied in, bracket in.
Literally like plopped on
Yeah, it's
there.
just literally laying on top. So we definitely need to fix that.
If somebody hits that with something.
Yeah. So basically everything on the back decking here, fire exits, make sure it's safe and secure. I know some of the top boards, like the fire exit for the third unit up here, is what's the word I'm looking for? Oh, the boards are rotten out. That is not safe at all.
You saw that?
Yeah, that's not connected at all. So, yeah, we need to do something to secure that safely.
Yeah, I mean,
Because they're literally just laid on top of each other. So if anybody touches that, or you fall in quickly. Possibly some point up here. We got some cracks along here. Likely would just need to be resupported under there.
I would think so, yeah.
Okay.
I wonder if there is a lintel there. There should be.
There should be.
Although that is where the failure is. Who knows, right?
Right. I've walked down there. It's open. There's a couple things down there. Nothing crazy.
Okay.
Looks like we had one hell of a freaking nest up there.
Wasp nest? Yeah, I saw that.
That thing was huge. The good thing is it is lagged, at least.
I know, but they're pretty small.
They look like really
it's
small
okay,
lags, but it's lags.
criticize
It was
too
probably
much.
code when it was done 100 years ago. Oh, there's one screw in that thing holding it in.
Yeah, a couple of them have something, but it's still not. I mean,
That's not safe.
no, and these are kind of reaching the end of the line here.
Right. All right, and now let's check out the garages. Special places back
Now,
here.
what's with the roof up here?
I don't think anything's been touched in here in a long time.
I mean, is that actually...
it's failing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's failing.
Yeah, it's actually, yeah.
I know enough to know that it's not okay.
No, it's just kind of weird. I don't see any flashing, but it looks like I guess there was some, but there's no step flashing. Look at that.
The
Look at the
shoe?
flashing on this side.
Oh goodness, the metal around the edges. Yeah.
But
Wow.
also the shoe.
Oh, no, that's normal.
Ceiling. The shoe.
Oh yeah, we missed that the first time. Yeah, there's a
I
nice,
don't think that was
there's a
there
nice
the
shoe. Can we get through it this time? No. That's not gonna work.
You first. What if it's haunted here?
Yeah, well, I'm sure it is. So I think there was some sort of fire.
Warm in here or what?
Yeah, there had to have been a fire at some point in here. Definitely ripped some stuff out in here.
I wonder what those rafters are like.
We can access the, no, not this top side.
Then next door.
The other side we can access. We can't access through here.
I don't see any like crazy rot, but there has to be around that chimney.
What's that?
There has to be a bunch of rot and stuff around.
Yes,
the chimney,
there's
but this-
gotta
this
be.
looks decent. I mean,
I say that I keep wanting to call it strapping, but that's not it. The
the joist,
not the joist, the top that goes on sheathing.
Oh, sheathing,
Sheathing.
yeah.
There we go. That was the word. Doesn't look bad.
no, it really doesn't.
I think it's just a
I'm
sag
sure in
around
that
the. I'm sure in that corner
but
it's shot.
probably
Yeah.
fixable, yeah.
Something with these doors just to get them closed
You want
because there's a lot of.
Functional or no? Is this?
They're not doing anything right now. Like I don't think any of the tenants have access to it.
Okay. I mean, it could just be like simply framed and, do you need doors or you want to just seal? We could board it up and throw some paint on the outside and make it look halfway,
I would think something operable,
at least one side maybe.
at least one side operable maybe.
Is that part of this next door or no? Is that somebody?
Quick tip, would you leave these as doors or just seal it off and just make this a storage space that you can only access through the regular door?
Well, yeah.
So I have a different
windows for.
Yeah, I have a different window guy and a different roof guy because this man knows his strengths.
Yeah, we can do it, but I'm not going to do it cheap.
I know, I'm just messing with you.
I'm not a window guy.
I know, I'm messing with
Certain
you.
things are.
I know, I'm just messing with you. No, and
If they
that's
wanna
one of
change,
the,
like 2 windows here, yeah, no problem.
right,
But
one or two, but the whole building,
Yeah.
it's better. Let's look at the back while she's opening that up for us. But here's where we can tell kind of where it's sagging
Yeah.
and how hot mess of a doors.
That is pretty
I would say
bad.
leave the doors kind of the same style.
It's funny. I mean, if someone's not going to put anything valuable, you could almost just kind of
I know, it's,
patch it up because it seems kind of.
I'm kind of thinking just
That's a lot
seal
of
it.
door, you know what I mean? It's
Right.
expensive to build those. I would just say maybe even patch what's there if we can make it look decent.
Right.
Maybe change all the bottoms or something. I don't know. It can be-
patching
be a
it-
pain too, but I think that might.
Patching it if it's cost effective makes sense.
Yeah. I would say if we can match that paint, you know what I mean? And just,
But also you got some good jaggeds
that?
there and there. So
That
that
one
tells
is
me the
very
middle's
good.
sagging here.
big time.
Okay. But yeah, roofs, soffits, fascia.
Can't get in?
No, I'm in.
All right, we're good.
Yeah, that one looks.
In the top, I would say just close that in completely. I don't think we need
The door, you mean?
yeah. I
But
don't,
leave the door, no? Or you mean just put it boarded up
I would just say slap a piece of T111 there,
and paint it up?
paint it up. That's what I did with my old
gonna send me the
hay
video,
doors.
right?
Oh,
I'm
absolutely.
not taking a million notes because you're doing that.
It's the perks of videos.
Maybe I have to get one of those. The problem is I don't know how to use it.
Chris will teach you.
The good thing is that you just push a button. It's the editing that's the fun part. Is there more stuff in here? I feel like there wasn't as much in here last time.
This couch and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
I feel like there wasn't as much stuff in here last time. I'll have to go back and check the video.
I don't remember.
So it looks like they almost tried to rerun some new electric in here.
This would be a great living space though.
This would be a pretty cool ADU.
Yeah.
The steps are safe. We both walked up there
You did?
before, so.
Like at the same time or just one?
No, we went one at a time.
Because I don't know, I thought they waved
I followed you. Yeah. We were all there at the same time.
Oh, that's lovely.
I mean, it's real 6x6, so. So yeah, this was the one with the bed and the really old furnace. I have no idea. It almost looks like an International just from the the emblem on the front of it, but
But is oil?
I think it was gas. I really don't know, but,
Crazy.
and then there's the old cutoff panel there.
Interesting.
And obviously a lot of growth and stuff in here,
But inside, you're not gonna.
This one
it
is-
just needs to
you know, I'm thinking once we fix shingles that everything in here will dry out.
be- Yeah, it looks very, very, I mean, it's gotten wet a lot.
Yeah, I mean the shingles are shot. There's no ifs, ands, or
Oh,
buts
yeah.
there. It is really cold out here. If you would hit that like button, it would sure warm me up.